Hi friends, here we come again with another unboxing video of a Barbie doll. Today I am going to unbox a carrier set Barbie doll. So this is the Barbie doll that I am going to unbox today. You can see that the package of the doll is not that good. I guess it is during the shipping it gets damaged. So at first I was thinking to make a return request for a replacement, but then it goes out of stock and I guess that I'll never have her again. So I can get my money back, but I'll not get her. But I'm so much obsessed with her, so I just keep this packet. Though there is not much difficulties, but you can see that the some of the part of this package has been damaged, but the doll is at a very good condition. So I think to unbox this is another 200 plus carriers Barbie set. It is very much inspiring for the young child, and also it is really very good because every time under 200 plus carriers they bring something new for us. These are the other playset that you can buy from there. So there are some of the pretty tags that are given over here, so let's read. That is, there are so many different kinds of scientists. Now they study the ocean, space, the earth, and even animals. Some scientists work in labs and perform experiments. Others explore the outdoors and focusing on nature. So this is really very inspiring quotes and I really like that. So they are just describing the varieties of field in which you can get your beautiful Barbie doll. Its cost is 800 rupees. So let's unbox her. I can feel the kind of the hassle that she has faced during the shipping. It has no other problem because there is only some problem was there in the packet. Otherwise this doll is completely fresh. You can look at her face. It's really beautiful. I really like that. And now see the kind of the features that she has. She wears a cool glass. Let's see whether she can remove the glass or not. It has been tied at the back side of her hair. So now I am trying to open this. It has been tied with her hair at the back. She can wear it. Really, it adds a very serious look to her. I really like this Barbie doll, and one of the reason of this for me to select this Barbie is her very different look. As we see that all the Barbies nowadays have a little bit of the similar looks, or their face, their jawline, all of them looks really very similar. But for me, she looks really little different from them. She has a very cute face and I really like that. She breaks the stereotype of how a Barbie girl should look like. Since I have a lot of the collections of Barbie and I have seen that she is very different from them. She has a thick eyebrow and the black eyes. With that she has a little bit of the red brown hair, and this is the apron that she is wearing. This is not attached with her dress. Let's remove this. Now she looks really very cute in this. It is a faint purple in color with some polka dots in it, and she wears a necklace which is in deep pink in color, which is in match with her shoes. As you can see that this is the first time I see a Barbie with flats. So I really like this, and oh my god, back side is so beautiful. The dress is really very pretty. I guess there is something is written here, some number. I think it's for the doll. This skirt, this dress is really very beautiful. She has a little nose. It has a very cute look with her. And now let's see the other accessories. So this is the only accessory. I don't know whether it is visible on camera or not. Sometimes you can feel that there is something with this jar, but there is nothing. Actually, it is a color combination and a kind of illusion that is created here. She can hold it. I have a little bit complaint over here. Since it is a scientist Barbie, so as an accessories we can expect little bit more stuffs with her. Here the material quality of the doll is satisfactory. I really like that. Yeah, she can sit like a very normal Barbie doll, and she can move her hands and also the head movement. It's like a normal doll. So at the end I just want to mention that it is a very beautiful Barbie and it is exactly the way I expected it, and it has some cool other stuffs with her. I'm quite satisfied with this purchase, but if you say that anything that I want to add with this doll, that is a make to move feature. So this is the all over unboxing. I hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, then please give this video a like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So bye.